Basko Monastery, also known as Basko or Basko Gompa, is a Buddhist monastery located in Basko in Leh district, Ladakh, northern India, which is almost 40 km away from Leh city. Although the monastery was built for Namgyal rulers in 1860 AD, Basko itself was embedded in the early days of Ladakh and is frequently mentioned in Ladakhi chronicles. When it was a political and cultural center, in the 15th century, a palace was built in Basko. The monastery is situated on the top of the hills, towering over the ruins of the ancient town, and is noted for its Buddha statue and murals. The complex comprises the Jamjung, Chambalhangkhang, and the Serkang temple, which were dedicated to Buddha Maitreya. And then, who is Maitreya? Maitreya, in Buddhist tradition, the future of Buddha, presently at Bodhisattva, residing in the twisted heaven, who will descend to earth to preach a new Dharma when the teaching of Gautama Buddha have completely decayed. Maitreya makes his first appearances in Buddhist scriptures in Chakravarti Sutta of Pali Tipitaka. In this sutta, the Buddha spoke of a future time in which the Dharma is entirely forgotten. This is the only time the historical Buddha is recorded as mentioning Maitreya. Basko comprises a dark red base and sky-high temples on the steep trails. The wonders of the edifice boast of Maitreya temples, mural paintings, ancient architecture styles, and exotic surroundings. The three temples are painted with the central Tibetan elements and style. There are a plethora of activities to do at Basko. Starting from the base, the temples are situated in the ascending order. To explore the premises, you will have to hike a bit and stop by every spot. If you are an art or a history fanatic, explore the ancient library or mural paintings present at the monastery. Also, meditation is quite prominent at the Basko monastery. You can stop by and indulge in spiritual practices. Basko has a cold climate condition. The best time to visit monastery is from April to June, although you can visit all year. The weather will be pleasant and the routes will be clear. And if you want to visit this place, you can travel by bus too. To reach Basko Monastery, you can take a bus from the Friendship Gate of Leh. There is no direct bus available, but you can take a bus to Ney, which will go via Basko. If by cab or a bike, you can book a cab to reach Basko Monastery. Private cabs are available in Leh, or you can take bikes to the monastery too. Late in the year, October to March, as October approaches, you can observe snow settling on the enormous mountains. The temperature drops by 15 degrees Celsius and it's absolutely freezing. But the real beauty of this place lit up during that time. Visitors usually head to trekking and also visit the frozen Zanskar River. And lastly, there will be hardly any shops or restaurants around this particular monastery. So when you visit this temple, pack some snacks or drinks with you, but make sure you don't take any food inside the monastery. Thank you for listening.